Today we're gonna do a simple recipe to show you some aspect of French cooking. We will do a ravioli with celery root, French bean and Boston lobster. This is a basic celery root that we will use today. Okay, a simple recipe for you for the starter. We will use celery root. We use 4 ingredients: celery root, green bean, and tomato. First, you will peel the celery root and slice very thin slice with the slice machine. This one, okay? You just use this, slice there, poach in the water with salt, and then put on an ice bath, and then you will have a leaf like a ravioli sheet, you can say. And then for the bottom part, you will use the same remaining of the celery and cut a small ring that we marinate with lobster oil and smoked paprika. Once you finish with the celery, you use the same water and then you poach your lobster. Poach 3 minutes for the body, plus take out the ham, put back the ham inside 2 minutes more. After you broke it, separate the shell from the meat. And then after that, once you have separated the meat from the shell, that is the meat of the lobster that we have cut in a small square part. Okay? That we will use some lobster oil that we do before. Just put some lobster oil, mix together. After here, you will use the celery leaf. We will use some, little bit of this. This one is a magnolia, this one is a mini basil, this one is an hortensia, Italian basil, and here you have some corn leaf. Something like very fresh, and then you just need to put oil, is fine. No need to assassinate with anything, because it tastes like a little bit of seawater. For this, if you see, I didn't add any salt on the dish. No salt. The lobster, I've already salt based. This will bring also some salt, and the caviar on top will bring the remaining of